This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Amazing 4 bedrooms and 2 bath home with 2-car garage. Conveniently located near Fit, Northrop Grumman, and Harris Corporation. This home features an open floor plan with a large living and dining area, large master bedroom and bath. Open kitchen with breakfast nook, tile throughout, and just freshly painted inside. Students welcome. Available for immediate occupancy. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.